So, you've recently started learning Japanese and have already learned Hiragana, Katakana, and even a handful of kanji. Congratulations! Oh, but wait. You've probably found yourself thinking at one point or another, why does my handwriting look so awkward? Or maybe you've received word from your teacher that your handwriting is illegible. What went wrong? You already did all the tedious writing bits in Genki, right? See, that's the problem. Most high school and college Japanese classes simply don't have the time to dedicate to penmanship. Instead, instructors must be content with letting students learn to write by copying a computer-generated font. Thus, the student's handwriting just develops looking mechanical and dead. With that said, it's not just us foreigners who struggle with this. Believe it or not, there is a wealth of handwriting books and videos for handwriting correction aimed at Japanese adults as well as children. Of course, gaining a true understanding from such resources would require the kind of Japanese language proficiency that newbies just would never have on the outset. I'm probably over-exaggerating when I say this, but the amount of time it takes to get to that language proficiency is likely enough time to completely embed bad writing habits. It is my hope that with this video series, I'll be able to impart to fellow learners what I've learned about writing beautifully and legibly. I will be teaching a style of writing that follows regular script as taught in many textbooks. If you're looking for cutesy or comic-like ways of writing, you'd probably be better off emulating fonts that focus on those qualities. With that said, remember to take what I have to say with a grain of salt. This is in no way intended to take away freedom and creativity. In any case, let's begin. I assume everyone starts off with hiragana, so what better place to start off with? One thing to note for every character, including hiragana, katakana, and kanji, is that they all fit into square grids, regardless of their stroke count. Hiragana looks simple enough, but it's a bit deceptive. Since there are less strokes, proportion screw-ups tend to look more noticeable. To make hiragana look nice, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Number 1. While appearing as separate lines, strokes should have a sense of flow. This is clearly visible when strokes taper off. Number 2. Horizontal strokes are rarely truly straight. They usually have a subtle curve, and the right side is raised by approximately 6 degrees. To remember this angle, think of the 14th minute on a clock. Number 3. Vertical lines also have a slight curve as well as a flick towards the upper right of the character when used in ke, ni, ha, and ho. Number 4. Loops in characters like o, na, nu, ne, ha, ho, mi, mu, yo, and ru are not perfectly circular. They should be written either as slim ovals or soft, blunt triangles. Number 5. When writing sharp turns in characters such as e, so, te, ne, hi, yu, ru, re, ro, wa, and n, the angles do not leave much open space. Katakana is also quite simple. The raised horizontal rule should still be followed. In addition, an invisible 6-degree line determines the starting point of a vertical stroke that is positioned to the side of another vertical stroke as in sa, ri, and ru, or a diagonal stroke as in shi, so, tsu, ha, ho, and n. And that does it for the absolute basics. We can go more in depth with writing hiragana and katakana in the future, if there's enough of a demand for it. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, leave a like. If you have any specific characters you want help with, feel free to let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching!